What's cracking, everybody? I'm pinning this comment. I'm pinning this comment on IG real quick. the homie Zay, the homie Zay text me. The homie Zay just text me saying CPI tanked the market. I just got back to the crib, man. What's up? What's up, everybody? I just got back to the crib. What's up, PL? Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Inflation. PL say top of the morning. Inflation. Y'all pull up. Y'all pull up. I see you, PL. I see you, PL, with the 1990 high school the senior picture pose, the 1990 high school senior picture pose. I see you, PL. Pull up. What's up, man, Dad? Man, I just walked in the door maybe about 4 or 5 minutes ago. I had to change my shirt. I still got my shirt right. I had to change my shirt because I ran. I hate when I have to put on another shirt, a clean shirt on top of my sweaty body. Speaking of clean shirts, y'all pull up to thenewtlr.com and shop with your boy if you want to support me financially. I made a merch shop just for the cousins. The cousins asked me to make a merch shop so they can get the shirts. Now you won't be able to get this shirt right here on the merch shop. This shirt right here is exclusive to me and my family. Spider Gang, that's exclusive to me and my family. But I had to put on another shirt, man, because when I went running today, I went running in this shirt. This the shirt I went running in, right? It is a fluorescent shirt. It's a fluorescent shirt. It's like a yellowish color, but I guess it's like got too much fluorescent green in it. So it's like you can see through the shirt. You know what I'm saying? It key out the green. All you see on the screen is I am not a fiduciary. Trade what you see. You know what I'm saying? But if I had a shirt on, I'll be up here. I'll be up here like this right here. I'll be looking like this with y'all. What's happening? What's happening? This is the shirt I went running in today, and then I was like, man, I got to change my shirt. So now I had to put a fresh shirt on top of my sweaty body, man. Y'all ain't tuned in for that, man. Y'all tuned in for the overnight price action. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, King Ellie? What's up, Lalita? What's up, Chris? What's up, Michelle Tucker? What's up, Tranisha? Tranisha, I seen you pulled up on the live last night. Well, Kashaya. What's up, Kashaya? I saw you put up last night on the live, Tranisha, when Professor was on there. Shout out Kwaku, what's going on? Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning. What's up, Big B? Shout out to everybody pulling up, man. For anybody who just tuning in, who that is on IG said one time for Miami. What up? What's going on? What's up, Dade County? I see you. 305. I'm just a simple dude from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, man, representing the 954 and the only way I know how to represent it. You feel me? What's going on? I said Big B. What's up, Jackie? Jackie Harris. That's a new name. I ain't never seen that name before. Welcome, Jackie. If you've been here before, Jackie, I jalapies, but that's the first time I seen the name. You know what I'm saying? Y'all pull up on YouTube. If y'all still on IG, pull up on YouTube. Hey, youtube.com/the-new-TLR. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. I've been on here for 4 minutes and I ain't said nothing yet besides the fact that you can see through my shirt. I had to take my shirt off. The homie Zay texted me and said the market ticket tanked off of CPI. I ain't even looked at it yet. What's up, Kareem? What's up, Laverne? What's up? I like to say what's up to the cousins, man. For anybody on the replay or anybody who pulling up for the first time or early, you new to the Spider Gang, y'all know who I am. My name Timothy Lee Rogerson. I get on Al Gore's internet every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and I just talk about the price action. When I first started Tim's Tidbit, I was sharing all the knowledge that I had when it comes to the stock market, excluding anything that I paid somebody for. I was just giving you all the stuff you can learn on the internet for free, and that's basically everything you need to learn how to be who that is. Somebody say I started following you yesterday from the live with the professor. Okay, I appreciate you. Pull up on YouTube. Pull up on YouTube. YouTube is where you want to be to look at my lives. I just had an IG up just so that the people on IG know that I'm live. Because I started doing Tim's Tidbit on the stock side on IG, so I still show the IG family love by saying, hey, I'm live. Y'all come over to YouTube so you can see everything. What's up, Ronda? What's up, 100? I knew 100 was coming with the foolishness. I knew he was coming with the foolishness. But guess what, 100? They ain't get me twice. Last time they got me with the CPI numbers, and they ripped me a new one. This time, hey, I took profit last week, baby. I took profit last week, baby. You feel me? Hey, let me see. Good morning, Rhonda. How you doing? Red. What's up, Red? What you say, Red? CPI took the upside, then took the downside. Whoo, 100-point candle. 100. I know you got some of that money. 100 be in and out. 100-point candle. 100. I know you got some of that. I know you got some of that. 100 be in there scalping. He a sniper. What's up, Perry? Hey, man, I'm about to open it up now. Oh, yeah, I was saying, my name Timothy Lee Rogers Sr., man. I started doing Tim's Tidbit, just sharing my knowledge on the stock market. Everything you need to learn about trading or investing, you can learn for free on online. It's just all about do you got the stick to itness, so if that's a word, to go through and find what you need. So what I started doing, I just started sharing everything I know. Once I shared everything that I know about the stock market, I just started going live every single day to show people, hey, this is what a trader do. I'm not a day trader. I'm a swing trader. I swing trade options, and I just get on here and I be like, look, this is how I look at the price action. This is what I expect out of the price action, because out of all the classes I ever took, I ain't never seen nobody with a class that held your hand every day, like forever. You know what I'm saying? People offer trade rooms, people offer Zooms. I ain't mad at that, but I want to do it for the free 99, for the cousins, because I believe in helping people. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. I'm still going to do it. You feel me? Pull up at thenewtlr.com if you want to support me financially. Buy some merch. Spider Gang. Hashtag Spider Gang. Don't get no green shirt. I don't sell green shirts on. I think I might do sell green shirt, but don't get no green shirts because it's going to come out like this on the Zoom. And for those that don't know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. Trade what you see. Hey, I still ain't got nothing pulled up yet. My computer acting slow, man. That's why I'm still running my mouth. That's why I'm still running my mouth, because I'm waiting for my stuff to open up. What you say? I'm not a bull or a bear. I'm a beast. That's right. Look, I told you. In and out. Facts. In and out. Don't got to trade today. I feel you. There you go. All right. Oh, that is a mean candle. Golly. Let me share my screen, man. Let me share my screen. Golly. CPI got everybody computer lagging. Well, we dropping like it's hot. Let's see what's good. Golly. They took out every level I had marked to the downside. Y'all see it? Everything I had marked to the downside, they went through that thing. Everything. You know what I'm saying? Nothing. These, like, I had everything marked to the downside that I was looking at. This little fair value gap that I marked yesterday. This fair value gap. This low. This was yesterday's low. This was like the overnight low right there. I'm like these fair value gaps. I had them on there from yesterday. And this morning, before we went to go drop Timothy off at practice and go run, I just marked out these lows right here. And then overnight high. That thing shot all the way. It kissed. Look, you see this? You see how that bugger do? This that what's the name that we had marked yesterday that it never came to get. That's the high that we had marked yesterday that it never came to get. Oh, no, is that the one? No, I think I might have marked that last night. I can't remember, but see how that bugger came up there and kissed it? Let me see what the high is on this candle. Did it go wick for wick? Did it go wick for wick? The high is 38.69.25. 30 wick for wick. Y'all can't see. That's why I'm an algo conspiracist, man. That's why I'm an algo conspiracist. This thing, this CPI number, when the CPI number dropped, this thing shot up and went to this high right here, wick for wick and then slid back down, right? Didn't touch no buy side liquidity up here. Went up there wick for wick, left that buy side liquidity and slid down. Slid down. Tankity tank, 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 tank. Let's look at all three indices together to see if they moving in complete unison. The ES, let's see what the ES, okay, everybody ran this low. Coming back over, everybody ran the lows up under this consolidation, right? I'm looking at the consolidation on all. If anybody who don't know, let me spread this out a little bit so y'all can see it a little bit better. Now that look funny to me. I don't like how that look. I need to keep it the way my eyes used to seeing it. All right, so everybody went up under this consolidation. All right, the ES is about to take out this low right here. The NASDAQ is not quite there. The Dow is not quite there. So the ES, the ES looking like it's about to take out them lows. I don't know if they're going to go all the way down. The way we coming back up, we may or may not come get these lows right here. We'll see though. We keeping our eyes on it. The ES is leading to the downside as far as these lows right here. Up, come here. As far as those lows right there, the ES about to hit them lows. And then look at the Dow. Want to make the low on a different 60-minute candle. They want to make the low on this hour right here, where everybody else made the low on this hour right here. Gotta love it. I'm gonna mark this one here. I hate when it be off like that. It's an hour off on the Dow, but it's still the same area, same relative area. It should be this candle over here because that's what everybody else on. But since the Dow want to do it an hour later, I just mark the Dow candle. But just looking at it, the ES is close to running them lows right there, and the NQ stopped. So we may not get, the ES may not touch them lows. Since the NQ stopped so high and the Dow stopped so high, if this right here was just a pump fake to both sides, then the ES may not get that low right there. And when I say a pump fake to both sides, I just mean take everybody out the game. What the market will do sometimes, and you know what I'm saying, like anybody who trade know this, what the market will do sometimes. Say what? Chris, you said something to me? Did you say something to me? No, sir. Did you say something? No, sir. Did your mama say something? No, sir. Did you laugh or something? Like, I heard something. No, huh? I did laugh. Okay, son, just say that. I know I heard some noise. No, I ain't going crazy. All right, what was I saying? Oh, the market would just get everybody out. Like, you see what it did? It came, like, anybody that had any stops resting above this right here, they got taken out. If anybody had any stops resting above here, because check it, if anybody had stops up here, and once we came down here and ran below this here, you know what I'm saying, somebody may have got comfortable to bring their stops down. You know what I'm saying? So they cleared out all the stops up to this point right here. Ain't nobody safe right now on the short side except people who got their stops above this. Excuse me. So they cleared out all of these people right here, right? Right? They cleared out all these folk here. Then they turned around and they cleared everybody out who, it ain't nobody, I don't know nobody who gonna have a stop loss, right, resting this far below the lows. I don't know, only people that's gonna be having a stop loss resting this far below the lows is somebody with a whole heap of money. A whole heap of money. Anybody that went short, anybody that went long down here, up under these lows right here, anybody that went long, once they got way up here, and it didn't like come back, they came up here, it broke through the structure and it stayed up there, they got comfortable and they moved their stops up. They stops got moved up. If they didn't get wicked out here on this wick right there, they definitely got wicked out here. So all the algos did was take everybody out the game and reset. Now everything is reset. It's time to start over now. Everybody done got wicked out except for the people up here. Now it's time to start over, right? And now this is little Timmy Rogers thinking, right? Everybody up here, they feel like, oh yeah, I'm safe. Oh yeah, I'm safe. It's finna die. They gonna come get you too. They gonna come get you too. You better take your profit. Better take your profit. They gonna come get you too. if you still short now, better take your profit. Cause they gonna come get you too up there. Let's drop down and see if we can get us some new levels. Let's see if we can get us some new levels, cause they done took out everything. I'm gonna take this out because I know we got some gaps in here. I was gonna leave it on there for the retracement, but I'm tired of my screen looking junkety junk. So I'm gonna take it out. And I'm gonna focus on the stuff to the upside. I leave that there. I'm gonna leave all that up there because it's that was just a big wick. It just wicked through it. That was algo moving. That wasn't real buying and selling. That was just algo repricing. So let's drop down to, let me hold on. Let me put this here. What time is it? 9:17. Okay, we got time. What y'all talking about? What say 370, 37.44 on the 1 minute chart? Clean house, love it. Retail, aka dumb money. I used to be them. Oh, all of us used to be them. All of us trying to change our mindset. 37.44 1 minute chart. 37.44 on the 1 minute. Let me mark this real quick and then I look at that. What this low is right here. 37.52 at 9 o'clock. 37.52 at 9 o'clock. 7:13, 9 o'clock. I see IG moving around. If you're still on IG, pull up on YouTube. Pull up on YouTube if you still on if you're on IG. My peripherals caught something moving over there. All right. I can move this out the way. Beam took it. Beam took it. Beam took this buy side. Gone. Out of there. Out of there. I can leave that up there. London, still to London. Okay, let's drop down to 15 minutes. See if we let's see what 100 talk about on the 1 minute. 37. What you said? 37, what it was? 848. $37.44 on the 1 minute. Oh, my 1 minute don't go back that far. I can't see what it is. My 1 minute don't load that much time. So I can't see what 37.44 got going on right now. I ain't got that much time loaded on my 1 minute. Let's get in. Let's try to find some levels. Full gap down, mammoth. Gap down, mammoth. We ain't even got no 15 minute. Well, we got a huge fair value gap right here. I ain't even gonna bother I ain't gonna waste my time marking that. That is retarded. I can't say that on live. That is crazy. Look at this gap, man. Look at this fair value gap right here. That is crazy. I ain't even gonna waste my time trying to mark this. I guess I can. I guess I will. I'll mark it. 15-minute fair value gap. It is huge. Man, with this big algo candle like this right here, man, I ain't even gonna hold you. With this algo candle right here, I can't even really mark no. I can't really mark no realistic upside targets right now. You know what I'm saying? Cause this 15-minute gap so big. Look at the 5-minute gap. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even got no realistic targets to mark, man, for the upside. Cause the gap's so big. It's like so big. It's like it for the upside, it got to rebuild. It need to rebuild the structure to the upside. You know what I'm saying? It's got to rebuild the structure to the upside. Let's just look down. Let's look down. To the downside, we got the low that it just made, 37.52. The next low that I see to the downside is 37.47 75. That's the next low. Well, we got 37 37.52, but that's right here, 37.47. That's the next low to the downside. Let's put it on 60 minute to see if that 37.47 is a 60-minute level. I like to try to mark the 60-minute levels and then see if I need to adjust it on the 15. So the next low, 37.43. Oh, that's what 100 was talking about. The 37.44. That's the next low. Okay, then. I appreciate you, 100. 37.44. That's the next low. Shout out 100. Oh, it's still on the screen. Y'all can see it. 37.44. That's the next low up under the 37.52. See, man, that's why I tell you, man, we're a community, man. I wish y'all could talk back because it's like by the time I see it in the chat, I be so lost. You know what I'm saying? But see, that just go to show. If you know how to read a chart, see, I was looking like 100 put 37.44 in there on the 1 minute chart, right? I was like, my 1 minute chart don't go that far back. So I just started looking for levels. You know what I'm saying? But my 60-minute chart go that far back. And then boom, that 60-minute low lined up with his 1 minute level that he was talking about. You feel me? If you know how to read candles, man, it's like everybody looking at the same thing, man. That's why I be telling people, hey, I get on Al Gore's internet every day and I just share what I know. I just share what I know in the hopes to, you know what I'm saying, help somebody see it, you know what I'm saying, or help somebody understand, oh, I am seeing it right. Oh, I am, you know what I'm saying? Like that stuff help, man. That stuff help out. July 5th at 11 o'clock. July 5th at 11 o'clock. That stuff help out when you know what I'm saying, you see somebody else doing it and it confirm what you already seeing. Man, that stuff help, man. All right, so the next sell side liquidity up under that is 37.43.75, 37.44. The ES and the MES, they be like one tick off. I'm looking at the MES right now. So the ES is probably say 37.44, like what 100 said, right? But same thing, 37.44, 37.43.75, close enough for government work, in my book. But that's all I got for like targets. That's all I got for targets, man. Sell side to the bottom, 37.52. Sell side to the bottom, 37.43.75. After that, I ain't got no bottom targets. Trade what you see. Above, I have no realistic targets. This candle so big, I ain't got nothing to mark. I don't have anything to mark right now because that candle is so big. You know what I'm saying? This candle is huge. I ain't got nothing realistic to mark. Just saying, try to get, you know what I'm saying, for me to want to take a trade. All the way down. I don't try to mark no levels up under 5 minutes. I mean, up under 15 minutes. Sometimes I'll look at 5 minutes for stuff, but like when it start getting this low, them levels don't hold a whole lot of weight in my mind. It's just like small targets. You know what I'm saying? That be like the low hanging fruit that I'm trying to get to. But that's all I got for the overnight price action, man. Let me see what y'all talk about in the chat. As customary, I'm gonna put the link in the chat if anybody want to pull up and ask anything. We got 5 minutes before the market open. I'm gonna put the link in the chat if anybody want to pull up and ask anything. The link is in the chat right now. I'm gonna go through the 1 minute fair value gap at 37.57.25. 37.57.25. 1 minute fair value gap. 100 said. They daring people to get in. I still see IG moving. If you pulling up on IG, go to YouTube. Let me look in the chat. Let me see what y'all talk about. It's the next low for 1 hour. Oh, the next low for the 1 hour. Okay. Appreciate that. Yeah, I figured that out. I can see the low at 37.44 and 37.41 on the hourly charts. Yeah, appreciate that. Mark the breaker. I'm still trying to learn them breakers. I think it redelivered. I think it redelivered that 1 minute gap underneath the big gap above. Y'all talking amongst each other. And the breaker fair value gap would be the confluence. Okay. And y'all up in here talking big trader talk, man. Y'all using all these big trader words. Y'all using big trader words. Uh-oh. Do you think we going to those previous day lows to the left? Chris Bailey, you must be new here. Y'all know what I'm about to do. Somebody put it in the chat if you know what I'm about to do. Chris Bailey, you must be new here. Can I find it? Chris Bailey. And yes, for everybody in the chat that's thinking, is it still spelt wrong? Yes, it's still spelt wrong. Chris Bailey, you must be new here. Oh, crystal ball. Will we go to the lows to the left? Yes, Chris Bailey, we will. And yes, NASDAQ is still spelt wrong on the crystal ball. Hey, Chris, them just jokes, man. Don't take me seriously. I try not to think anything. I just look for the highest probability. And right now, in Lil Timmy Rogers' mind, the highest probability right now is to take the lows. That's what it's showing me right now. The highest probability is to take the lows. Will that happen? I don't know. But the path of least resistance right now is to get this liquidity under here, as opposed to going all the way back up and getting this liquidity up here. Could it do it? Yes, it could. But the highest probability right now in my mind is coming to get this liquidity down here. So if I was trading right now, I would be looking for reasons to go short. And once we got down here, I'll see how we was closing. Are we closing below these lows or above these lows to decide which direction I want to try to look for a trade in? But I try not to say, oh, I think we're going to do this. I just look for the highest probability and I say, okay, this is what I want. Let's see what the market give me. All I know at this point is that we're definitely in a discount. You feel me? We definitely in discount territory. The 4-hour gap beneath them equal lows as well. 4 hour. Let's look at the 4. Yeah, my 4 hour. I ain't even got my 4 hour set to go back. Let me put a little bit more time on here, man. Cause I be trying not to set too much time to go in. Because it's like when I have a lot of time set to go in, when I put it to the 1 minute during the market, that thing go to hiccuping. It be hiccuping bad. Let me go 30 days back. Okay. Yeah, there's a 4-hour fair value gap right there up under them lows. You are correct, Mundo. There's a 4-hour fair value gap up under the lows, sitting up under the lows. Blep, blep, fofos. It's sitting under the lows. Blep, blep, fofos. Yeah, so it's a 4-hour fair value gap up under them lows as well. Right there. Yep, so that's the path of least resistance. Will it stay down there? I don't know. Looking at how the NQ and the Dow are far away from them lows. Do the ES got enough juice to pull those two down? If they start going into big tech, if they start going into big tech, it might get pulled back up. The ES may not have enough oomph to pull the NQ and the Dow down. Cause remember, the bigger weightings in the ES are in the NASDAQ and the Dow. You know what I'm saying? Like if money start rotating to Apple, the Apple is in the NASDAQ and the Dow. If money start rotating into Apple, that's gonna pull the ES up because it's in the Dow and it's in the NQ, and the Dow and the NQ showing more relative strength right now. So if they start the market open right now. I ain't gonna hold y'all up no more. The market open. I jolly pies to anybody who didn't I didn't get to your question or didn't get to your what's the name. I apologize, man. The market open. I'm gonna try not to keep people on here while the market open, because I know people be wanting to go and trade. I appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. Do me a favor, press the like button. If you got anything out of this right here, if you appreciate me coming on and just talking about the price, hit the like button and share it with a cousin. Share it with a cousin you like. Share it with a cousin you don't like. We'll be back tonight at 6:30 to do the price action recap. Yeah, man, be safe. We ain't got no realistic upside targets. So just be looking for reasons to sell until the market show you that it want to go back up. When the market show you that it want to go back up, then start trying to buy. You know what I'm saying? Just, if the market don't show you that it want to go up, don't try to buy. Let's drop down to 15-minute real quick. Just looking at this right here, if the market don't, you know what I'm saying, if the market, see, we got a clean breaking structure right down here. We got, you know what I'm saying, we got a breaking structure there, we got a breaking structure there, we got a breaking structure here, right? So the market can push all the way back up here, you know what I'm saying, and still sell down. You feel me? So be real careful. We can push all the way, looking at this calendar here, we can push all the way back up to here and still sell it off, because that'll just be a retracement back to this breaking structure. So be real careful. Let the market show you what it want to do before you start jumping. If you're a scalper, do your scalp thing. I'm not a scalper. I'm not a day trader. I got a whole lot of patience, man. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm not a bull or a bear. I'm a scammer. Hey man, I appreciate y'all, man. I'll see y'all at 6:30 for the price action recap, man. I'm gone.